Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos update. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to send files from iPhone to Android or receive files from iPhone to Android. If you want to send any files from iPhone to Android, first of all you have to download an app named Share It in mobile phones, and now you have to click on app in Android mobile. Now click on app in Android mobile on the Share It app. Now here you will see and app options send and receive. You have to click on receive if you want to receive from iPhone. So click on the receive. Now after clicking on the receive, you will see an three dot in the corner of the mobile. Click on three dot. After clicking on three dot, you will see connect to iOS option. Click on connect to iOS option. Now after here you will see and now step on iOS to connect to the my device. Enter system setting and join the network below. Now you have to open Wi-Fi in setting, and here you have to open Wi-Fi. Now click on Wi-Fi. Now here you will see a network which you have to connect. Now the network is here. Now click on the network and it will connect automatically. And some Android mobiles you have to you will be given an password and you have to enter to connect it. You have to enter that password to connect from it. Now you have to open the Share It app in Android in iPhone. Now you have to click on the send and choose the video which you want to send as this and click on OK. Now you have to click on this pop-up, and the file will be received in your Android. So like this you can send files from iPhone to Android, and you can also send files from Android to iPhone. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.